Alright, boom. We're logged in. Finally, been able to get a shift. Haven't been able to get a shift like all day. It's kind of like that yesterday. We had a quick 30-minute shift, didn't get anything. But today, we got a very, very interesting email. And look, I put my email in the description because I like getting questions from you guys and helping answer them and like helping with any advice I possibly can. Everything should be taken with a grain of salt. I never say I'm correct on everything, and I never have said I'm the smartest person in the world. Some people get really mad at me for voicing my opinion. Now, I think everyone should be able to voice their opinion. It's just my opinion, and this is what happens when you talk on YouTube and basically just talk off the top of your head, nothing scripted. I'm just voicing my opinion. Some people are really mad at it. And this email ends with, "I'm sure you won't read this email. You're too much of a pansy Doordash shill who deletes any comments that don't agree with you." So what am I doing? I'm reading this freaking email because I'm like, you guys got to see some of the stuff that I get. But I personally don't think that I'm a Doordash shill. In fact, I know that I'm not a Doordash shill because they've never paid me. I've actually reached out to Doordash many times to try to get an interview with like Tony Zhu or like someone on there to ask the questions that I think need to be asked, and they've never gotten back to me. If I was a Doordash shill, they probably would have gotten back to me and they'd be probably promoting their platform on my platform. But here we are, still not a Doordash shill. But okay, according to this guy, I am. Listen to this email because this is good. Well, it's bad. I don't know. This guy's pissed though. "Tanner, we all know that you are a corporate shill. Doordash is probably paying you to promote them as a great company, as you always are in your videos, and you're always praising Doordash. First, you were anti-decline now, and now you still can't quite understand the movement behind not filling cups. That is not our job. Doordash is a giant corporation that constantly taking advantage of the vulnerable and using them as slave labor to get their cheap orders done. I now have 2 contract violations, and I've taken upon myself with some others to screw Doordash over as much as I possibly can before they deactivate me, which I'm surprised has not happened yet. Anytime I'm logged in and I see a $2 order, I accept it and then just sit there. How can they expect me to..." So this guy literally accepts orders and just like sits at his house and makes sure that they don't get done, which I'm sure is eventually gonna lead to him getting deactivated, and I'm quite surprised he hasn't been yet. Again, like, I've never said taking $2 orders was a good idea. I've always said you should weigh out your options. I was not for the decline now movement because I always said, like, sometimes I'm gonna take a $6 order if it's perfectly on the way. If you guys don't know, if we rewind about a year, decline now was decline everything under $7. Doesn't matter what it is. But I'm like, but there's like what, $7 and you have to go out of the way isn't as good as an order that's $5 or $6 and it's perfectly on the way that you're going. I've always promoted casual dashing and just doing it when it's convenient. Where did I end? Then he just lets it sit there. "How can they expect me to get up from what I'm doing to go deliver something for $2? This company needs to be exposed for what they're doing, just like China takes advantage of slave labor in their country. I'm sure you won't read this email. You're too much of a pansy Doordash shill who deletes any comments that don't agree with you." And to acknowledge that, I just delete comments that are rude. If you are rude, if you have an opposing argument, I'm all for it, as long as you're polite and you're not calling people names and like, I don't know, there's a difference between like having a healthy debate and just straight up being rude. So yeah, I delete some rude comments sometimes. I just do. I don't like to see that, and I don't like seeing people get called names and like, I don't know. It is what it is, but I'm just anti-hate, you know, like anti-negativity. Like, don't be a negative person, because no one likes being around a negative person. And I don't know, basically apparently this guy is trying to screw over Doordash as much as he possibly can before he gets fired. I think he's already kind of taken that step. He's already given up and saying, I'm basically quitting. I hope he has a new source of income lined up. Maybe he's on a different platform or something as well. But to me, it just seems like a waste of time. I'm going to be honest. Like I said in the last video, in the video before that, like, the more you are an entrepreneur or independent contractor or gig driver, the more you should appreciate, okay, take that with a grain of salt, the more I think, in my opinion, you should appreciate great opportunities. Like right here, I have an order, $14, 10 miles, delivers quite far past where I was going, but I'm going to take it anyways because I think there's going to be a post tip, and it's 2 orders from Pho Place, you know? So opportunities come up, you know, and I'm sure DoorDash is probably hiding a hidden tip from me on this one. If I was to take an educated guess, I would assume there's a hidden tip on this one. But anyways, I don't know. Some people agree with me and some people don't agree with me, and that's totally fine. We're not going to agree on everything. I'm not a corporate shill, though. That's just a weird, like, I don't know. I just try to give a non-biased opinion. DoorDash doesn't pay me. Come on, guys. Like, do people actually think that DoorDash is paying me to make these videos? I just make these videos because I like doing DoorDash when it's convenient for me. Like, I'm about to go to the gym. This order's just past my gym just a little bit. I'm gonna make $14, hopefully more, to basically drive to the gym. I think it's a convenient way to make extra money, you know? $14. If I make $70 every single day, that adds up to around $2,000 a month. That's pretty good income, you know? That covers all my bills and stuff. So I'm like, by the time I'm done with this order, I'm like already a quarter of the way there. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. What do you guys think in the comments down below? Am I a corporate shill? Do I say too many nice things about DoorDash? I don't think so. I think sometimes I'm pretty critical on them, to be absolutely honest. But some people think that if you just don't agree with the whole decline now movement, and like if you're going against like these I forget what it was called when you're like like you're going against a strike or something. I forget what the word is. Someone remind me what that word is when you're someone who goes against the strike or something, you know? Anyways, the whole cup thing, I just don't get it. I'm like, it's not that big of a deal. Like I said, I don't think you should fill it up because you're not technically as sanitized, or you don't have the same sanity regulations as someone who works in a restaurant does. I'm sure DoorDash is eventually going to get on this and tell their restaurants, hey, you got to fill up the cups, you know, like, it's not our drivers' jobs or something, or hopefully something worse doesn't happen, but I don't know. Also, as a restaurant, you're putting your restaurant's quality of product in the hands of someone who doesn't work for your restaurant and frankly probably doesn't care, like, about the order getting done correctly. Like, I'm sure they do, but sometimes obviously in this guy's case, he really is trying to screw over DoorDash. And he's gone full rebellion mode. Like, basically, like, I'm taking this company down with my bare hands. Good luck. It's probably not going to work out for you. I'm just saying, I'm grateful for an opportunity to be able to make money whenever I want. I got all my work done for the day, and now I have a 3-hour dash. I'm just going to make some extra money today because I can. The opportunity is there, and who's going to say no to money, you know? Make your own decisions, guys. I don't know. Or create your own opinions. What do you guys think about this guy? Is there anyone out there that is very anti-filling up cups? I don't know. I'm all for having a debate. I don't think this guy would come on my platform. But if you're watching, you're welcome to come on the platform. I'll do a live with you. If anyone has an opposing argument with me, you are welcome to come on and do a live stream with me, and we can hopefully find some middle ground. I think it's very healthy for people to have opposing opinions and talk them out and find out which opinion is more correct, because you don't get that when you constantly censor something out. And me deleting comments isn't me like just, it's look. And also, if you curse in a comment, YouTube automatically deletes your comments. It just does. And if you also type a link, YouTube also deletes your comments, because too many people are sending, you'd be surprised how many people are getting sent like spam stuff. And some people are dumb enough to click on these things and then they get like their bank account hacked or something, you know? Anyways, just pulled up to this pho place to grab the order, be right back. When I first saw this, I was like, am I supposed to be delivering this empty cup? And they're like, oh, there's a bit of lemon in there, and then there's a drink in the bag. I was like, okay. I was gonna say, because delivering this empty cup is not timed very well for right now. I didn't say all that, but it's like, dude, that's funny. I'm delivering it in an empty cup. The restaurant is rebelling against Doordash also and delivering empty cups. Okay, here we go. Anyways, let's make this money real quick. There's no way, in my opinion, that this order is only paying $14. In my opinion. I think there's going to be some nice post tips, but we will see. Anyways, let's get this sorted out. Hold on. I got to get on the freeway. Be right back. Alright, got that all sorted out. This is a 10.6 mile delivery for $14. So, I don't know if there's going to be I still think there's going to be a post tip. I think anytime there's a round number like $14, I think it's usually the sign of a post tip, but that's just my opinion. It's not technically $2 a mile, but I think there will be a post tip. This is probably the only order I'm going to be able to get done before the sun goes down, so I should probably take up the entire duration of this daily dash. Anyway, it's kind of funny that they handed me an empty cup and was like, this is what you deliver. I was like, no way, someone's fucking with me. Who's doing this, you know? Anyways, yeah, some people get really mad at you for saying your opinion. I've always been like, I would love to, I have had lives before someone came on and was a pro-union DoorDasher, like wanted it to be a union. We had a healthy discussion on why I didn't think that we should be unionized, and I enjoy the gig economy because it's like gigs come up and you don't have to do it, you know? It's up to you. If you think it's a bad, I don't know. What I would like to see from DoorDash would be like a set your minimum, you know, like set a minimum dollar per mile that you will accept. I think that would make everyone happy, but then everyone would do that and no one would be taking the crappy orders, and that would leave DoorDash with a bit of a predicament. Predicament? Is that the right word? Anyways, how cool would that be? And you know what DoorDash really needs to implement is the casual dash, where you just select, hey, I'm going to the gym, get me an order on the way. If not, no worries, you know? But I think Lyft does that already, don't they? I think they do. But might as well like make some money on the way, you know? That's what I'm saying. But it is what it is. It's a very common saying I've been saying lately. It is what it is, you know? Can't make everyone happy. Unfortunately, I cannot either. I can just try. I truly try to give out as much good information as I possibly can and help anyone. If anyone has any questions, I try to answer them. Of course, if you are commenting on old videos or something, I probably actually won't get around to it because I have probably 1,000 videos up, and if you're commenting on an old video, I don't even remember what the video was about, to be honest, so it's kind of hard to respond to some of them. Anyways, be right back. You guys ever go to deliver something and then you get to the it's like a gated complex, and it's like one side is residents only, and then it says like you gotta go, I don't know, there's like some security tower that you gotta go through, and it's like way on the other side of the block. Well, that just happened, but thank God this older gentleman came up and was like, oh, just pull on up, I'll let you right in. Oh my God, homeowner's gate only, but I cannot exit out of here. Super annoying. It's like, come on, you're not even gonna let me get out of here? Anyways, now I gotta figure out where this freaking exit gate is. Unless someone's around here to let me out. Anyways, nope. But we did receive a extra $2 on that first delivery. Now this second delivery, most likely probably is paying $5.50. I would probably suggest that. You know, they always group the the good orders with the bad orders. So that way someone takes the order, you know, because no one's going to do this drive, which was, it would have been like 10 miles for $5. But now that I got $10 from someone else's order, then yeah, I guess I'm willing to drive an extra 4 miles or so. Unless I just cancel it, right? I'm just kidding. I wouldn't do that. Would not do that. I like my completion rate being really high. I think it's like 97, 98% or something. But anyways, here's the gate that I was supposed to pull into. Hopefully they let me out. Otherwise I'm going to be trapped in this complex forever. Anyways, I'll be right back when we get to this next customer's house. Alright, just dropped off the order. As I suspected, yeah, $5.50. They didn't give a post tip. Sucks when they group, you know, a really shitty order with another one so that way the order actually gets done. But here's what I don't like is like how they this little advertisement. They're like, yay, you earned more money than you accepted. We successfully hid money from you and got away with it because you only thought you were gonna get 14, and guess what? Surprise, customer actually paid 16. Or 2 customers, you know, like, what the fuck? Well, I don't know. It's like, yay, like the way they advertise is like, yay, look, you got more money. I don't know. It's super weird, but hidden tips are stupid, I gotta be honest. But anyways, I don't know. Freaking stupid though. Oh well. I delivered, I don't know, that was 10.6 miles for $5.50 for that one customer, you know. Thank God the other customer made up for the freaking poor paying order, but again, it is what it is. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap up today's video, but I gotta drive about probably a quarter mile west and get back into my dashing area because I'm just out of it, but I'm pretty far east right now, and I was trying to go to the gym, and I'm basically gonna try to get an order that takes me back over there. That way I can pay for my gas on the way over there. Otherwise I gotta include like, I don't know, like 6 dead miles onto this order, you know, because I drove way past where I was going. Anyways, if you guys enjoy my videos at all, please consider subscribing and also smash the like button. And if you want some new shoes for maybe your friends, family, yourself, who knows, go to offaxisathletics.com. That's my footwear company. Support me, my crazy entrepreneurship journey, and damn, I'm gonna have a house up there one day. Check that freaking, I'm gonna be living way up there, way up in that gigantic blurry hill that I just showed you. It's like one of the only like big hills that they're building on in Las Vegas. It's way in the east area. But anyways, we'll see you guys next one. Use OffAxis Tanner for 30% off. We'll see you guys next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.